Before we jump into editing, let's see first what resolution Instagram prefers. On their website, you will find the following information. When you share a photo that has a width between 320 and 1080 pixels, Instagram keeps the photo at its original resolution, as long as the photo's aspect ratio is between 191 by 1 and 4 by 5. If the aspect ratio of the photo isn't supported, then it will be cropped to fit the supported ratio. If you share a photo at a lower resolution, Instagram will enlarge it with 320 pixels. If you share a photo at a higher resolution, then Instagram will size it down to a width of 1080 pixels. Okay, but what does it all mean? Using my phone's screenshot, you can see some examples here. 1:1 ratio, or 1080 by 1080. 191 by 1, mostly used for landscape modes. And last but not least, 4:5, what is the portrait mode. Using this 4:5 ratio, we will group 3 images to create a panel. Let's start editing our first image.